Hello friends, welcome back to Mano Cooks. I am Mano. Today let's make Diwali special sweet Kaju Katli and let's learn all the secrets behind perfect sweet shop style Kaju Katli recipe. Please watch this video till the end to know all the tips and tricks. With my easy step-by-step recipe, you can easily make this recipe this Diwali. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. Let's prepare cashew powder to start with. So here I am taking 2 cups of whole cashew nuts. Always use the same cup to measure all the ingredients. If you have broken cashew nuts, you can use that as well. My first tip here, always grind cashews in small batches. So in a mixer jar, add small portion of cashew nuts and let's pulse and grind. Please do not run the mixer continuously. Just pulse once, stop it and pulse again and repeat for few pulses until you get fine cashew powder. This is the first batch that I have pulsed. If you can see, it is powdered and it is not lumpy, it is free flowing. Now to take out big cashew pieces if any, let's sieve this powder. If you find any big pieces, you can grind again by pulsing and repeat the same. My second tip here is not to grind the cashews for long time as that will release the fat and oil from cashew nut and the mixture would be lumpy and sticky. So always pulse, stop, pulse and continue that way and grind in small portions. We have powdered all the cashews here and also sieved them right now. You can see how nice and free flowing powder we have got here. This should be the right way to make cashew powder. Now to this, let's add a secret ingredient, that is milk powder. Let's add 3 tablespoons milk powder and mix it well with the cashew powder. Milk powder is a key ingredient that is added in all the sweet shops when they prepare Kaju Katli. Milk powder enhances the taste of Kaju Katli to a next level and along with that it adds little more white color to our Kaju powder. If you do not have milk powder, you can skip this and continue with the next step. So mix this dry milk powder with cashew powder until well combined and keep it aside. Now let's take a non-stick pan and to that let's add 1 cup sugar. So for 2 cups of cashews, I have added 1 cup sugar here. I am using the same cup to measure all the ingredients. You can take any cup or glass of your choice to measure. Now to that add half cup water. So water should be half the quantity of sugar. Now let's heat this on medium flame. Let's mix and dissolve the sugar first. Keep stirring and cooking. You can see the sugar dissolves completely and it starts to boil. Keep stirring and after few seconds you can check the consistency of the sugar syrup. You can touch it with your fingers and try to check if it forms one string consistency. It is okay if it forms a thread-like string and then breaks. As you see in the video, this stage is good enough and the syrup is in right consistency. It is not hard and strict rule that the string should hold the shape and form a perfect string. That would be my 4th tip to nail this melt-in-mouth Kaju Katli recipe. In this stage, if you want, keep the flame to medium-low and add the cashew powder. Now let's mix the cashew powder in the syrup without forming lumps. If we grind the cashews to a lumpy, sticky mixture, in this stage we will have trouble breaking the lumps. So always pulse and grind to a non-sticky powder as suggested earlier. Now let's cook this in medium flame for few minutes while stirring continuously. Let's add the flavoring ingredients right now at this point. Add a pinch of cardamom powder and few drops of rose essence or rose water to this and keep stirring the mix. Also, since we have sieved the cashew powder to remove big pieces, you can clearly see how smooth the mixture looks. You can see the mix starts to thicken a bit in this stage and let's add 1 teaspoon ghee to this and mix it well. Let's check the consistency. It should be like a ribbon flowing down the spatula as you see in the video. Turn off the flame and you can continue to spread the mixture to cool it down evenly by mixing it and spreading it in the pan. So now let's keep mixing the Kaju Katli mix in the same pan to allow the mixture to cool down and thicken. After few minutes you can see that the mix is thick enough. Generally the cashew mix tends to thicken as it starts to cool down. In the meantime, let's take a butter paper and apply a little bit ghee. So now let's transfer our mix to the butter paper. The mix is thick right now but it is still warm. So now by holding the opposite ends of the butter paper in your hands, try to knead the Kaju Katli mix as shown in the video. This step is very important to get a smooth and shiny texture on Kaju Katli. Generally this step is done in sweet shops as well. When we are kneading, you can feel the heat from the mixture. So basically when we knead, the dough releases the oil and it becomes smooth and shiny as you can see. Once it is smooth, keep another butter paper on top Let's start to roll out the dough. Generally, Kaju Katli is rolled out thin and diamond shaped. So roll it out accordingly and take out the paper on top. And in this stage, if you have edible silver leaf or silver varak, you can stick that on top, or you can also add few saffron strands. Or like me, if you don't have anything, it's okay. We can go ahead and cut this into diamonds and enjoy our favorite Kaju Katli sweet. Kaju Katli or Kaju Barfi, as you can see, is perfect, smooth, melt in mouth texture and inviting, and the festival feel has already started at my home. You saw how easy it is to perfect this Kaju Katli at home with my simple step-by-step video, and with all the tips, I think you can easily make this at home within 15 minutes. Watch my video first fully before you start to prepare and get set and make this and get ready to shower in appreciation. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and I hope you liked watching this recipe. If yes, please do click on the like button, and also if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to Mano Cooks and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video.